Hi everyone, this is Slavisha Mihailovic, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to manage the big hero images on the homepage of your consumer websites, and after that we are going to see how to publish all your changes. So let's take an example. This is the test website for South Africa. As you can see, we have configured default elements. We have a big hero image. There is an image in the background. The whole area here is clickable. In addition to that, you have a call to action button, which is, by the way, optional. You can remove it, and we will see how to do that in few seconds. And you also have a welcome message. This also can be configured or removed. You can change the color or you can change the position. We will see how that works in a few seconds. Below that, you have the so-called small hero images. There are two images. Each of them has an optional call to action button. We call them call to actions because all the clicks can be tracked in Google Analytics. So if you don't know how to find that information in Google Analytics, please open a ticket and we will show you. So this is of course the test website. To edit the changes, you have to access OpenText CMS. So I already entered my username and my password. I'm in OpenText. Now, few tips. If this column is open, feel free to close it so you save some space. Then the red box here is we call it settings box. You can drag and drop it wherever you want on the screen. I normally prefer to keep it in top left corner. To access the home page, you click on home website here. You wait a few seconds and there is the content management system for the home page. You have in addition to the settings box, you have two red dots. The first one is for the big hero image and the second one is for the small images. First of all, you can see that the big hero image are actually two images. Why? Because we need the landscape hero image for large screens like the one I use now, and the other one, the portrait hero image, is used for mobile devices in vertical position like an iPhone. So that's why we need this image. The other two are available only in one format, and one format is sufficient. Let's start with the first module here. You click the red dot to open the module. And now you have some options. So we have, this is just an information. The welcome message is welcome message. Call to action is call to action A. The big one on the top is A, this one is B, and this one is C. And then we have several red dots. So let's go through all of them. First of all, the first one is the button to edit the landscape hero image. This information here is very important. The image has to be created by a professional web designer for you. The image has to be in JPEG format. It has to be optimized for the web, which means that the file dimensions should not be too big. Otherwise, the loading time of your homepage will be longer and longer, and this will be very annoying for the users. So make sure that that image has these dimensions, very important, and that is optimized for the web. The same is valid for all the other images like the portrait and the other two. So let's start with this one. I click, the image manager opens, and I will say I want to upload a new image. Click OK. Now you click Browse. You find the image on your computer. I've already prepared it here. I click on Upload. Operation is running. Please wait. When you get this confirmation message, you click on Manage Items. You scroll down. You click the file name to select the picture you just uploaded. As you can see here, the dimensions are correct. You scroll down. This image was already prepared, so you don't need to crop it to prepare it again, etc. You just click on Send Image to CMS. Transfer in process. Please wait. Done. You close. The image manager will automatically close. The image, the image in the background will also be updated, and that's it. Now we have the portrait hero image. Same process. You click Edit Portrait Hero Image. Make sure that the image is prepared with these dimensions. Image Manager, Upload New Image. Click OK. Browse. There is the image I want, upload, manage items, scroll down, there is my image, send image to the CMS, close. So the images were configured, but we have some other options. Let's see all of them. Edit welcome message. Click, welcome message is here. We can say welcome winter, welcome spring, depends on your current promotion. If you don't want that welcome message, make it hidden by clicking here. I will click cancel because I have not changed anything. Then you can font size and color. Let's see what we have there. So you can change depending on how many words you use. If it's just 1 or 2 words, you can keep the large one. If you have more than 2-3 words, then medium. If you have even more words, then the small one should be the best version. You can also change the color of that welcome message. I already know that the best color for this image is white. So I know that the code of white is this one, 6 times F, and that will work. If you don't know how to find the code, you can simply go on Google and you enter something like color codes. Let's see what Google gives us. Okay, here you have some codes. If you click this link, probably we will get a website where we can find the code of our colors. So let's say if I want red, we have to take this code. This code is also already, every time it's a hashtag with 6 characters, and this is what you have to copy in OpenText CMS. If I choose white, it's 6 times F, as you can see here. So let's go back to the CMS. Then edit welcome message position, right top. Let's change it. Let's put it in left bottom. Why? Because for the image that we used, I already know that it looks better in bottom right corner, like on the Italian website. It's in white, it's in bottom right corner, and it looks nice. Good. Then we have edit call to action link. If you don't know how to configure that link, here is a quick tutorial. So in most cases, the big image is linked to the products section. I click on product section first, and then I will be able to configure the link. There is our products page. Why I open this page? Because I need to know the page ID. The page ID number, which is in the settings box here, 49, is needed because I need to configure the link. So I click on the logo to go back to the home page. Otherwise, you can also click on Smart Edit to go back to the home page. You click again, Edit Call to Action Link. You click the red dot. You click on Connect Existing Page. Something is already configured. Do you want to replay? Yes, of course. Here we have the page search. I add page ID as search criteria. 49, start. The system will find the page. I click on products and the link is configured. Then the next option is edit call to action link target. Self means that when people click this picture, the link will open in the same window. And this of course makes sense because we are linking that image to an internal page of our website, so self is perfect. However, you have another option, which is blank. Blank means that the link should open in a new tab. And this is very useful when you want to link the Big Hero image to, for example, the digital catalog, iPaper, or any other external website. Then in that case, you should select blank. Finally, you can edit the call to action text by clicking this button here. That's the text. And if for some reasons you want to remove the call to action, the button, if you want to completely remove it, just remove this text. Delete it completely and the button will not be displayed. Some markets are doing that. For example, Tupperware, not brands, but Tupperware Brands Philippines. you will see that they do not use the standard call to action buttons. They prefer to enter some text in the images, and the standard call to action buttons are not displayed. So they prefer to do it like this, and this is of course fine, but you need to know how to do that. So that's all regarding the big hero image. Now let's see the others. It's very similar, of course. You will see that by opening one red dot, you have all the options for both images. So first of all, again, these are the right dimensions for the small pictures here. You click on edit picture, upload new image, okay, browse. I will choose this one, upload, manage items, scroll down, click the file name, scroll down, send image to CMS, close. And my image is there. Then what else do we have? Edit call to action text. This one, you can edit it here. Link, again, exactly like before. You click there and then you enter the page ID to link it to a right page. Normally this area is for promotions, but this depends on your digital marketing objectives. This is something you can discuss internally. And then you can also here, you can change the target, self or blank, if you want to open this in a new page, in a new tab. On the right, we have exactly the same options. I will change this one as well. Upload new image, click OK. Browse, I will choose this one. Upload, manage items, scroll down, file name, scroll down, send to CMS, close, and my image is there. Now let's have a preview. There are two ways, right click, preview, page preview. There is the image. The preview does not represent the final quality of your page. It's just a preview. The real preview will be only when this is published, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a few seconds. Another way to see the preview is you have these 4 red dots. You click the last one, and then you will see the preview within open text. Then to go back to the editing mode, you have to click the first red dot here in the bottom right corner, editing mode, and that's it. Now to publish this page, there are 2 ways. The first one is much easier because you always have to submit your tasks to the workflow. Otherwise, your change will never go online. So please remember to always submit your tasks to the workflow. How to do that? You click on tasks. If the 3 menu on the left is closed, you open it. You need to open it only the first time, then it will stay open forever. You click your country or your language. You select, in this case, I changed 2 elements on one page. You select both of them, you click submit to workflow, and in a few seconds they will disappear, which means that you submitted your tasks to the workflow, your changes are confirmed, and your changes will be published overnight. So tomorrow you can check if everything looks nice. If you don't want to wait for tomorrow, you can go back to Smart Edit. You click on Home. You open the red box here, Settings, so you make sure that that is open. And when it is open, you right-click your mouse, you click on Publish Page. You don't change any options here. You click OK, and in maximum 1 hour, your page will be published. If for some special reasons you need the change to be published in few minutes, please contact us via ticketing system. We will try to take care of that as soon as possible, and your change will be published. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.